You don't need a computer to play video or audio or view photographs on your ActivPanel. You can do this by plugging either a portable hard drive or a USB device into the front of your ActivPanel. Use the source button to choose your media browser. If you've got different types of media, you can view the files by type. I'm going to choose a photograph. So I'll click on the photograph to view it. Once I've finished viewing that photograph, I can select it and use the toolbar at the bottom of the screen to go back. When I've finished with my media, select the source button and select a different input. It's now safe to remove your USB device.